Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and in series of Google Classroom. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share files with your students in Google Classroom. So let's see practically how you can do this. So this is our Google Classroom, and for sharing the material, just go to classwork and here create. You can create the material that you want to share with your students. So click on that. For example, we can say technical notes. Please check this file and just click here, add. You can use different options here. For example, I have a file in Google Drive. Like for example, this file I want to share. Just say insert and you can use post. So you can either schedule this when a student have a chance to see, or you can post it immediately. Let's see schedule, and I want to schedule this with the students at 9 a.m. tomorrow. So just say schedule and your post will be in schedule. As you can see here, technical notes. You can also edit the material. In this way you can share the YouTube link or file or any particular link with the students using this feature of Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.